What's up, my friends? We are in Redding, California right now, which is about 400 miles south of Portland, Oregon. I've got 15,000 miles on my current oil change, and I don't know, it's just easier to go ahead and knock it out. O'Reilly's gave me some old jugs. I bought some new oil. I am in their parking lot right now with a pan, and the goal is to get this 16 quarts out, get the fresh stuff in, leave the old oil at the store because they'll take up to 5 gallons a day, and then we will be moving on. 30 minutes, dog. I'm as fast as Jiffy Lube. Oh yeah, and thanks to O'Reilly's. Here's your plug. I guess this has turned into the routine, what I go through every day to kind of take care of those life things on the road. So I got a membership to Planet Fitness. The black card allows you to visit 10 gyms per month as a guest, which means a shower, and in order to shower, might as well get a workout in. Interstate 5, about 300 miles south of Portland, Oregon, and the mountains are so full of smoke that you can't hardly see anything. It's also my birthday. Am I the only one that thinks 31 is too old to be doing this shit? And so what I'm doing right now is sitting in the van about 300 miles south of Portland, Oregon, editing a video from a 5-day road trip through California. I love the way that social media connects us, because as we make friends and grow farther and farther apart geographically, it still holds us together. Firefighters, you got some guts, guys. I sure wouldn't want to go track down whatever's creating all this smoke and try to stop it. So best of luck in what you do, and your efforts are much appreciated. All right, we are in Portland, Oregon, doing laundry. Dude, I freaking love these things! Oh, Van's so clean! Got a vacuum, got clean clothes. Oh, dog, we about ready to hit into Portland. Rinse it off, baby, rinse it off. Get that thing clean. Man, dog, you think I can make some money making promos for car washes? Because I could definitely get into that. An Instagram video for a car wash. Just the experience of riding through it, getting soaked up, and then rinsed off, leaving with a clean, fresh, dry car. I guess we're stocking up on groceries. That means no hotel, no downtown for a few days. I've been pleasantly surprised to find that Oregon is more redneck than I expected. Portland reminds me of Austin, Texas, a liberal island in the middle of a conservative state. There's a lot going on here, but I got a little nervous and had to head back out to the mountains. And then there's always those unforeseen things that you run into. So we hit a kink in the wheel and had to take care of that. It's got quite a bit of stuff in it. Okay, so what happened is, alright, I came to NW Powerstroke in Vancouver, Washington. They're busy, but they guided me towards a fuse that controls the PCM. I believe that's power control module, the main computer for the engine. I started looking, and the fuse that's blowing is connected to the ignition relay, the glow plug controller, the PCM, and a heater in the fuel filter bowl. So it's a fuel filter bowl heater. Unfortunately, on the top of a van engine, it is not easy to get to because the engine sits underneath the firewall. And it would be a simple fix, pull one wire off, but I'm having a hard time getting to it. And I don't know if I want to get into pulling the top of this engine apart to get to that wire. Hey, I just gotta say thanks to these guys. They pointed me in the right direction, got me started, and kind of coached me along the way. NW Performance, they specialize in power strokes. They make them go real fast, but they'll also fix them if something's wrong. So if you need some help with your power stroke, come check them out in Vancouver, Washington. And we're rolling again. Pow! Welcome to Oregon. Home of Mount Hood, yo.
Sure. I'm Birdshit.
I'm Himalaya.
And
We're
together, we're the
super
super siblings.
We're out here on the Pacific Crest Trail